Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I feel like decorating for spring. I'm only going to decorate my living room and maybe like the centerpiece of my dining room slash kitchen table. But I wanted to share my home decor with you guys for spring. I feel like the color this season is like peach. I went to the At Home store. You guys know, I love that store. Most of my spring items are from Big Lots and At Home store, the At Home store. So I got a bunch of like pink, peachy type of decor, and I feel like putting it out. It's not spring yet, but oh well, you know, in my mind it is. So if you guys want to stick around and see me kind of clean a little bit and decorate my living room for spring, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so first thing that I'm gonna do is put my music on. If you've seen my morning routine, you guys know I need music. I hate the quiet. So I'm gonna go to YouTube and just put my playlist on and put it pretty loud. So what I wanna do is just clear everything out, clean, and then decorate. So what I'm doing here is for the TV stand, I'm just clearing everything off, and we'll go in, wipe it down. But this is like the process that I like to do when I decorate for, you know, whether it's the holidays or you know, a different season. I just like to remove everything, clean it all, dust, do all that fun stuff, and then put the new decorations out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. And we're going to do a little dance session. Can't forget those. Right here, this wasn't even like that heavy. It's only a 52-inch, but it is so awkward at trying to move a TV and get like your arms around the whole thing. So I struggled a little bit there. I edited out the parts where I was like struggling. So I'm just going to go ahead, take the runner off and wipe everything down and continue to dance a little bit. And you'll be surprised, like just because this is a more white toned TV stand, it accumulates so much dust and the dust shows. And so yeah, keep that in mind if you're looking to get a more white or light kind of toned TV stand. And then also in the front where the doors are those are actually like little mirrors. So I always like to get in there and, you know, shine those up a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush off my TV and just make sure everything is pretty clean. And this is the runner that I'm going to put on. It's kind of a gray, and I love the detailing it has in there. I don't know what you call that, but it's pretty. And I'm going to go ahead, put that on there just because it's like a lighter shade of gray, and that fabric was more like a summer fabric, you know what I mean? So I'm just transferring out that so we can go ahead and decorate it. And also putting the TV up there was a lot more easier than putting it down. Side note. Does anybody else hate the cable boxes and like the internet router? They're such an eyesore, but like I don't want to put them on that lower shelf, so I just try to put them next to it and just, you know, hope for the best and just cover it up with other accessories that you'll see a little bit later on. But yeah, that you can kind of see a little bit more closer there. I just love the detailing and the fabric and the color of that. And of course, I'll have everything that I know where I got it. I'll have it linked down below. So now I'm just going to move on to the couch and get rid of my pillows and blankets. I pretty much just want a clean slate, like a blank canvas, before we start decorating and all that fun stuff. And
this is actually my new table since I filmed that morning routine, and I always have a candy dish. I gotta carry this tradition from my mom's house. But this is the new table that I was mentioning that I didn't have in my morning routine. So I'm just gonna go ahead, wipe everything down. You can see those collect a lot of dust as well. So I just wanna wipe everything, get it all clean, and just get, that little thin layer of dust that accumulates out of there. And this table, and again, I'll have it linked down below, but I got it from Pier 1. I think it was like $150. It's a little bit pricey for an end table, but it's exactly what I was looking for. And I don't know, but it was so difficult to find an end table that was like a decent size that I wanted, that type of rustic finish to it. So I splurged and paid the $150. And then these are just like little candle holders. I'm just using like window cleaner to clean these, just because, like I said, everything accumulates dust and I just want a clean slate. So I'm just going to keep on dusting away. And these are the coasters that I have. I got them from the At Home store for $9.99. You guys know I love that store. Everything pretty much in this house is from there. And they're just a pretty cute, marble print. And they're heavy too, like pretty heavy and solid. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run the vacuum. We call it a sweeper. Does anybody else call it a sweeper or like a vacuum? Comment down below. So I'm gonna get that ready and pull this rug up. And this is only, I think, like a 5x8 or 5x7 rug. But man, when you roll that thing up, it is heavy. Like, it is heavy to move. So yeah, we're just gonna get that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and sweep/vacuum the carpets. Also, tell me how many of you love pillows. I can't help it. I love pillows. But look at the detailing on this. So it has like a blush peachy kind of mint, and then it has like that gold foil to it. I love these pillows, and I just have like fluffy white ones, not beige. I wanted pure white to definitely brighten up the room a little bit and to be against that pattern pillow. I did buy 2 different pillows, but I'm like such a match freak, I went back and just bought 3 of the same print. Then here we go with this gosh darn rug. It's so heavy. So I'm gonna roll that back out, and yeah, this room's, this part of it's a little bit completed. Also, something else that I'm like so picky about, I hate when it's not like flush up against the couch, you know what I mean? So then we're going to move on to the front door. I'm just going to wipe this down with my glass cleaner as well. I like the glass cleaner that has the Windex in it, just I feel like you don't get as many streaks. So I'm just doing that, and then we're going to go ahead and hang our wreath, which I'm so excited for you guys to see. Like, wait till you see this wreath. Look how cute this is with the font that says hello, the colors in there. It's so perfect. I got it at Walmart, I kid you not. So I just have like a white magnet up there and just hung it there for some color on the front. I'm obsessed. I think it's like my favorite thing out of the whole entire like decor. Like, look how pretty. I love it. Go Walmart. Then I'm just going to put out a few more accessories. I got this house plant at the at-home store. It was, I think, $79.99. I'll show you in a second, but it has this beautiful marble print that like pretty much matches those coasters. It's not that heavy. It's obviously a faux plant. I like to bring a lot of greenery in the house, especially around like the summer and the spring. So you'll see I have a lot of like little plants. Of course, they're fake because I do not have a green thumb. So yeah, this just adds a nice little pop when you first enter the door, like right on that corner. So yeah, I really like that piece as well. And I always need to have like something to put my feet up. Even though I have a sectional, I still like to sit there and like kick my feet up once in a while. So I like to hide that and just put that plant right in front of it so it doesn't take away from that. And then something else easy to do to switch up your decor is just change. Of course, you guys know I love my pillows. I just got like a blush type of pink colored pillow, and literally you just put a new one in, and it brings some more color into your living room, or whatever room you're decorating. Like for the holidays, I'll probably put like a red one in there. It's just something really easy to do. And then this has always been out. It's just super dusty, as you can see there. So I'm just dusting that off so we can have that nice and clean as well. So moving on along to the TV stand, like I said, I love little plants. I got these ones at Kohl's. I'll see if I can find them linked down below. But they're so teeny. I love anything that's like so miniature like that. And then this is just a old Bath & Body's candle holder. You guys always probably see those if you go in there. This is from the at-home store. I think it was like 12 something you saw there, but it definitely has the colors that I really like, and they kind of match everything else. I got this cute plaque. It says choose happy, and again, the colors that I am going for, and about $12 at the at-home store, so very inexpensive. And it's so cute and colorful with the mint too. It matches my pillows like perfectly. And then this, you guys know, if you watch my morning routine, I love lavender. So this is right now the candle that I am burning from Bath & Body Works. And then I have this old plaque. This is from a couple years ago. I got it at a craft store. I was trying to see if I could find the price on it, but I couldn't. But it's battery operated, and that little switch lights up the little candle wicks, and it's really cute at nighttime. And another plaque. I'm obsessed with plaques. I don't know what it is this year, but ever since I got this house, I love plaques. It's about $7-8 from the at-home store. Thankful and grateful. And then this little guy, it was just like sitting around the house. It's just a little silver candle. So yeah, it's just like, look how pretty it is. All you have to do is just seriously just add a few things of color, and it makes such a big difference. And And again, here we go with the green plants. I think that one's from IKEA. I'll try and find it, list it down below for you guys, but I'm not going to do much on that table. But this little thing, I like to just keep like pictures, my candle warmer, my wax warmer, and just a few other things. So this is that black kind of like wrought iron. This definitely picks up a lot of dust, so I'm just wiping all of that down, wiping all of that down, and going to put out some accessories in a minute. So first thing I have is this candle. It's a fake one. It has like a switch, the wick will light up, and it's like a peachy shade as well. And I like that. And then I also have yet another plaque, Say Yes to New Adventures, and it has that peachy color that I like. I actually got that one at Big Lots. So, and that was pretty inexpensive. I think that was like $4 or $5. But like, see, just two little things I have, just to add a little bit of color. And then for the wax warmer, I have Apple Blossom, which is a really, really nice spring scent. So I put that in there. I'm going to flick that on. And I also have little whites, like white lights that go around there. I really can't see them now, but at nighttime it's really cute. I'm gonna light my candle for a nice aroma of lavender. So now moving on to my kitchen / dining room table. Again, this is not the table that I am keeping. I'm just waiting for my other one to still come in. So for now, we're just gonna work with it, but it does match like the framework of the windows. So I'm just wiping that down with, I forget what I use. I don't know if I just use water to like disinfect the cleaner, but I'm just drying it down now, and we can switch up the centerpiece for this. So again, I have a runner. I got this one off of Amazon. Very similar to the one in the living room. It's just the fabric's a little bit different, and it's a little bit of a darker gray. And it fits on there perfectly. And then I got this white tray, I believe from Big Lots. I'm going to find it and list it down for you guys. But I like it. It's white. It has like a rope detailing on the handles, which was really cute. Another plaque, Find Time to Relax, Big Lots. Oh, actually it was on sale. Did you guys see those like $5 and so for 3? So definitely, again, has that peach tone. I got this at Big Lots also. It's just a candle holder. It's just like a gray flower. And my eyes are so bad. What is that? Big Lots, $6. So I'm going to toss that in there. I just want to put like a bunch of random things in here. This is a candle I got from Marshall's, inexpensive, $9.99. It's more of like a gray tone with gold detailing. And then another plant, wanted to bring some greenery in there in like a peach type of vase. Marshall's, $6.99. I really like this one too. I like all the greenery on this. And then these things, you guys, like, they come in like a big bag. I think I got it at Big Lots or at the at-home store. But look, I found one that had like a peach and like pink type of color. I don't even know what you call these things. Like wicker ball things. Like, I'm not even sure what the correct name is, but they're really cute to like fill in empty spaces, but I was just so picky on where I was placing them, but they definitely had the colors that I was looking for. So those turned out to be really like a lifesaver because it just filled in all that empty space in there, if you can see. So I really, really like that. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the before and afters to give you an idea of how easy it is to accessorize with, just some color, just switching out pillows and blankets and bringing in some greenery to really brighten up the room. So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you enjoyed or if there's anything else that you'd like to see. I'm thinking I'm going to do my bedroom next because it's pretty much gray also. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!